Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix CapCut login issues, TikTok and account errors step by step clearly. Open the CapCut app on your device. Check if you have a stable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is unstable, switch to mobile data or connect to a different network. Close the CapCut app completely. Then, reopen the app and attempt to log in again. If that doesn't work, clear the app's cache. To do this, go to your device settings. Find the Apps or Application Manager section. Locate CapCut in the list of installed apps. Select Storage and then choose Clear Cache. Once cleared, revisit the CapCut app and try logging in again. If you're still having trouble, check for updates in the App Store. An outdated app can lead to various issues. Install any available updates and restart the app. If you are logging in with TikTok, ensure your TikTok app is up to date as well. Sometimes, reinstalling the CapCut app can fix persistent login problems. Uninstall CapCut from your device. Next, head to your App Store and search for CapCut. Download and install the latest version. After installation, open CapCut and attempt to log in once more. If the issue persists, consider resetting your password. Visit the TikTok or CapCut website to initiate a password reset. Follow the prompts and check your email for the reset link. After updating your credentials, return to the app to log in. Lastly, if none of these steps resolve the issue, contact CapCut support. Provide them with details about the problem for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.